So we got our good gaskets right here. You heard me? Now, let's go ahead and pop this box open. Let's see what came up in his mail. Y'all want to see the shipment address too? See what we got up in here. Okay, they look like they double boxed the game. They double boxed it. The second box fell heavier than that first one. Let's pop him open too. See what's up in here. See what's in these boxes. What is this, y'all? What do we have here, gang? What do we have here? Check out what we got, y'all. See what we got. Y'all know what time it is. You heard me? Y'all know what time it is, you heard me? This ain't no little boy toy. It's big boy thing, you heard me? This ain't no lightweight neither. Heavyweight. So, a lot of people were complaining about the finish on the casting of the manifold. Let me bring y'all a little closer to that. Get y'all a little closer. Y'all see we got our V-bang, but as you can see, this is a big manifold. This is the tip of my finger. It's my elbow right here. So you see how long it is and how wide it is as well. So let's get it on. Let's get it on, put it on the car. You can see what's happening with it. Y'all see the finish though. Y'all see the finish that they be talking about. So, I mean, they got some imperfections and stuff, but I mean, for the most part, just the inside of it. If you can see anything. Back side, but how thick that flange is. How thick it is. Let's get it on the car, see how we fit, y'all. Let's get it, gang. It's the random. Oh, hold up. One more thing. And the weight gate right here too. So I don't know if we can weld him somewhere, maybe. You know? I'm not sure. Sure, we might put him right there in the corner or something. We're gonna see what's happening with that too. Well, let's get him on the car, gang. On the LL2, baby. Y'all see it. He look good, huh? Look, he ready. She ready, you hear me? She ready, baby. I'm gonna clean up that horn soon. Clean it up. AC compressor on there. You hear me? Power steering. Turbo drain line. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. We good with you. Let's get it. So y'all see it. Going on with it. I wish I had that other bolt on me, but so as y'all can see, it isn't a straight 90. It's on an angle coming out. And this bolt here, you definitely have to get your ratchet to tighten it up. Snug him up and see how we looking. Snug that back one up. Looks pretty good, huh, y'all? How'd it look? Look, our drain line for our turbo. It's gonna fall right in place. Might could even come through this loop, you know? Shit, let's throw the turbo on there. See how the turbo look. But I like it. I like it, y'all. Definitely like that. Throw that turbo on there. Hopefully I have some bolts that's long enough. Alright, gang, let's go ahead and get this turbo manifold installed. Let me see. Hold up, gang. Hold up. I'm just gonna, and again, you gotta watch the spacing. That's what I'm dealing with right now. Like this here boat, you can't install this here boat. It gotta be installed from the bottom side. So I'm putting the wash on. Give me a nut in place. Nut started, all right. Now I'm gonna try to set him right where he needs to be. Lock down our nut. All right. And I ain't putting no gasket and all that. Actually, we probably can even just leave that one bolt on there. Seems like it's holding up pretty good right there. Now I don't know how this thing's supposed to turn. Let's see if we can figure that out. Okay, so looking at it, I guess. All right. Let's put one more. We're gonna throw one more bolt up in there. Let me see. All right, he was able to go. All right. We're just gonna set that, leave that like that. I'm gonna loosen him up. We're gonna turn our turn. How she look though, gang? Look like it's gonna be a good fit, huh? Look like a winner to me, baby. Okay, like I said again, it's big boy toys, you hear me? Big boy toys. This ain't no little boy toys, yeah. So I'm gonna try to loosen these screws up so I can turn our turbo. Hope I'm loosening the right one. Okay, that's what we want to see there, baby. That's what we want to see there, huh? That's what we want to see there, huh? Okay. Oh yeah, that drain line fall out perfect, y'all. Y'all see it, gang. Y'all see it, baby. Turbo is on. Turbo gang, whistle gang. You hear me? And let's see how that. We're gonna see how everything. Look, we're clearing good right here with our frame. We're just gonna have to run our pipe on an angle, but we got our load nice and tight. Got our gasket right here. You hear me? Turbo. Bam. We could probably run the exhaust. Maybe reduce it, you know. Come down here, straight to the back. Connected like we ain't even got no big turbo under there. And looking at it, oh yeah, I think the factory hood gonna clear too. Looking at it, factory hood should clear. Huh? It should. It look good with the alternator. Yeah, factory hood should clear. Let's see what we're looking at with this here with our feed line for our oil. Now you definitely see we definitely short on him. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna reroute this here line. So yep, that's him, y'all. Look good to me. So if you enjoyed the video, y'all already know what to do, you hear me? Comment, like, subscribe, and share, y'all. Big Turbo looking stupid on that thing, huh? What's up, gang? Turbo gang, R11. It's the random. Damn. Alright, gang. There's something else that we did notice with these manifolds. And you see how our spark plug, it'll be a little tight. This one here isn't bad. It's rounded off a little bit. But we can put the grommer tool You see this one here, it's not that bad. Then we have this one right here. Look at that, gang. We would be a little tight on that, especially trying to get a socket. You know, think about your socket. So I'm gonna cut that out of there. I'm gonna grind that out of there. Grind that out of there. You gotta come out on that one. Give us some socket space, you know. Give us some socket clearance. See what's going on back here. You see that? So on this one here, we'll just come around this edge. That's pretty good. And you know, we might not go the whole thing, but at least we can try to accomplish most of it. If we could get most of it, then I believe we'll have them. Then it's your front one. You see it's the same way as well. So I'm gonna trace him out. Blues Clues. Blues Clues. Blues Clues. Got a corn out there, you hear me? Yeah. He's showing up now. Now he won't show up. Now he won't ball now. When the game almost over. Now he won't ball when the game is almost over. You hear me? So that's what we did. We gonna hit him with that, what you call it, gang? Drummer tool. So y'all get in that comment box and let me know what you think about that this turbo manifold, and let me give you a little side view. You see that? So he's in line with everything. Y'all see it? You see? He clear down here. You see that? So that's at all your angles right there, guys. Got tight wheels to the oil cap. You see that? Belt tensioner. Everything lined up. She all in a row, so it's all out perfect.